I'm Sarah with the Illinois State Museum. Today I'm going to show you how to make your North Star constellation card. The North Star has been used for hundreds of years as a navigational tool, from sailors sailing at night to slaves escaping slavery in the South and moving their way north at night. A way to locate the North Star is by using the Big Dipper. The North Star is located just off the base of the Big Dipper. So if you find the Big Dipper in your night sky and you look up from there, you will see a pretty bright star that is your North Star. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your card, but you can also find printed instructions with photos on the Illinois State Museum Family Fun website as well. Let's take a look at what supplies you'll need. So we have started by using the pattern for those of you doing this at home, and we've lined up our corners so that our edges match the pattern just like that, and then we've punched out our Big Dipper. And then we have added our North Star to our constellation. And we'll set that aside. And then we have also glued with our glue stick our gold paper onto our card after we folded it in the white paper in half. And we're gonna set that aside and work on sewing our constellation. So we have tied a knot at the end of our thread, and we've threaded our needle. So we are going to take our needle and poke it through the top part of our Big Dipper constellation and pull it all the way through. Now the knot is smaller than our hole, so to keep it from pulling through, we take just a little bit of tape. If you don't have tape at home, you can also use a bunch of the glue on the glue stick. Take your tape and you tape your knot to the back side of your constellation card. So now that we have our needle pulled through the front of the card, we're going to take the needle and poke it into our second hole and pull it all the way through. So now we've got this on the front, this on the back. We're going to take our needle and poke it through our third hole from the back to the front. So now the front of our card looks like this, and you have two options from here. You can continue on and go down to this, our fourth hole, and then pull it through the back and come up through here and go in through our fifth hole and go in and out all the way around to finish off over here. Or you can do a back stitch and make it a little more completed look, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take my needle and go back through our second hole from the front, pull it all the way through. So now it kind of looks like this on the front side, and we're back here on the back, and we're gonna go to our third stitch again, pull our needle through, and then go down into our fourth hole on the front side, pull the needle through to the back. So now we've got this look on the front and this on the back, and we're gonna go down to our bottom of our Big Dipper, pull it through, and then we're going to go back up to our top hole here, pull it through. We're going to go complete it on, we're going to go to our second top hole on the back side and push it through on the top, the back, go down from the front, push it through onto the back side. You don't want to push through too hard because you will end up making your holes bigger and ripping the paper. Then on the back side, we're going to go through this second bottom hole. So it pops out the front. My string is a little short. This won't happen to you. Pull it through. Stick our needle again through that last bottom hole. And pull it out the back. So this is what your completed Big Dipper constellation. If you choose to, you can also finish off with thread the top part of the bowl. I just don't have enough. And then this is what our back side looks like. So to finish, you can either tie a little knot in your string, or I'm just gonna take some tape, just like I did at the beginning, and tape down the end, and take my scissors, and cut off the excess. So there you have your sewn part of your constellation, and then you can take your gel pen and add some dots or other small stars if you choose to. We are going to take our sticky squares or dots, whatever you might have, and we're going to add them to the four corners of our card. Leave the sticky side on the front still until you're ready to attach it to your gold paper. So it's going to look like this. And so now you're ready to remove the protective backing from your dots or your squares. So you're gonna pull those off. Center your blue square on the gold one and push down in your corners. There you have it, is your completed Big Dipper North Star constellation card.